Hi, and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be doing a walkthrough solve of this center shifted 3x3x4 cuboid. And what that means is that when you turn it like this is how it scrambles. So the solve of this puzzle is fairly simple. The first two layers you solve is a 3x3. Last two layers you solve, you orient the edges and corners using 3x3 algorithms, and then you place the edges and corners using cuboid algorithms, solving both layers at the same time. So in order to scramble it, to get a full scramble, it's a good idea to get to do some cuboid algorithms. And so let's just first turn these all like this, and then just do some cuboid algorithms to scramble these two top layers more properly. That's the corner swap, and do some edge swaps. Let's do see what else we could do just to give it a really good solid scramble. Okay, I think that'll be good. And now we just scramble it as a 3x3. Okay, I think that'll be a good scramble. So the first thing is we figure out which is the top extra layer, and that would be where the center is protruding. So you see the orange center is sticking up. Means the bottom layer is the red. So we start the cross on the bottom layer where the red is by putting in the edges, regular 3x3 algorithms, or moves. I wouldn't really call this step algorithms. See, okay, we have our cross. Put in the corners. Puzzle is a bit catchy, not too bad, just a little bit. Okay, so the first layer is done. Now we put in the edges on the second layer. Okay, both bottom layers are done. Now we use 3x3 algorithms just to flip the edges. And do the same with the corners. Okay, now we look at the top layers and we see what we need to do. So we have headlights on this bottom strip. We have headlights all around. So all the corners on this bottom strip are in. And the top strip, none of them are in. Okay, so we're going to do a corner swapping sequence, which is going to place 2 on top, and it's going to take 2 out on the bottom. And so let's do that first. Okay, so now the bottom one we have these 2 blue, and the top one we now have these 2 greens. We place them so they're next to each other. We do this algorithm again. It's going to put these 2 corners, swap these 2 on the top and on this layer as well. Okay, so now we look at the edges. Okay, so we're going to do an opposite edge swap first. This yellow is going to go here where it belongs, that yellow here. Okay, and now we have an adjacent edge swap, so we position it properly, and we do it from this position in order to reflip this central strip. And that solves it. So yeah, really fun solve. Adds a nice little extra challenge over a standard 3x3 solve. You can get some cuboid algorithms in here as well. And I really enjoy this puzzle. Turns fairly well, not too catchy. And yeah, so that'll be all for this video, and thank you for watching. Until next time.